Hello class 2 students. Today we are going to start with a new chapter number 4, Hello Hello by Louisa May Alcott. So in this chapter we will learn about the frog, that how frogs have enjoy and fun in their life. So hello hello, come down below. It's lovely and cool. So the frog is, where do we find frog? We find frog in a pond, in a small narrow pond, isn't it? So you have seen frog, yes, and we have seen frog in a pond, small pond, and it's lovely and cool out here in the pool. So in this poem we will find some word written with a red pen. Okay, so this words written with red pen, this is the word where we have to find the meaning of this. So here are some words like pool. Pool means what? A small area of still water or pond where the frog used to live. So here we will learn that how the frog will enjoy and have fun, and how the frog will also encourage us to have fun like them, and they will, and the frog will tell us how they will enjoy and make fun of their life. So out here in the pool on a lily pad flood. So here again another word lily pad is written in the red pen. So what is meant by lily pad? A floating leaf of lily. So what the frog do? They play with, they play with a lily leaf. Okay, so for a nice green board, they also used to make a nice green board of lily leaf in a pleasant ring. So what is meant by pleasant? Pleasant. Pleasant means to be happy, to make fun, to enjoy. Then or leapfrog play in the jolliest way. So what is meant by jolliest way? Fun and happy living. Okay, so in this poem we will learn that how frog will enjoy, how they made fun of each other, and they also encourage us to have fun and come inside the pool and live the life as how frog live inside the pool. So when we will end this poem, I would like everyone not only to go through the home assignment. Okay, I would like every student to go through the poem and learn the poem properly and read the poem. Thank you.